As we're slowly transitioning back to face-to-face activities, public noted ang University of the Philippines College Admission Test this 2023. And as the gateway to one of the most prestigious universities in the country, hundreds of thousands of high school students are expected to take UPCAT this year. From eligibility, subject coverage, UPCAT scoring, to tips on how to ace the exam, every information is going to be incredibly helpful in your preparation for UPCAT 2023. Kaya Tutorial Hub's UPCAT Tanungan series is here to help. Next episode, we'll be explaining the basics of UPCAT. So don't forget to follow our page para hindi mo ito ma-miss. Keep the lessons at heart at malay mo,
We'll see you here next year!